Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and while there are many options for portable vacuums out there, let me tell you why I love this one from NWDEY. This is the first vacuum that I've had that does so many different things. I got it primarily to clean my car, and it has some handy attachments that made it easy to do so. I'm telling you, I was able to get into all those hard to reach places and then some. Of course, it vacuums, but it can also inflate, deflate, dust, and more. I have to ask, does your vacuum do this? If not, then this is your sign to get this one. This was originally for our car, but I may need a second one to use around the house. That's how much I love it. Usually little vacuums like this don't clean very well, but I was impressed with this one. Didn't matter if I was cleaning something small or a bigger mess, it got all of it, even on the lowest setting. It's small in size, so I can fit it just about anywhere in my car in case I need to clean up on the go. It's also not heavy at all, so I was able to use it for a long time without my arms giving out. Speaking of giving out, the battery on this thing did not. I was able to clean my car and some areas around the house over a course of 2 to 3 days, and I did not need to charge it once. So if you're looking to level up your cleaning and get the job done, this is the vacuum for you, but that's just my point of view.